Good morning, children. So last session we are discussed in the states of matter lesson in changes of matter and what is matter. What is matter? Matter is nothing but substance. It occupies space and has mass known as matter. And this matter is exists in three forms, that are solids, liquids and gases. So already we see that how these three forms will be changed into one state to another states. Okay. Now this session we are going to discuss about types of changes. Types of changes. Okay. Already we discussed that states of matter. Matter will exist in three states: solids, liquids and gases. And changes of states means how the solid will change into liquids, how the liquid will change into gas, and again how gas change into liquid, liquid to solid we are discussing. Now here types of changes in reversible and irreversible changes. Reversible means again we get back its original state. Irreversible means again we can't get back. So here see changes which can be reversible to get back the original substance. So when we are taking any reaction, so again we get its original form. Okay now. For example, here forms of water. Forms of water in ice to water we are getting. Again water to ice we are getting. Water to ice and again water, ice to water. Means here when on heating, means when we are keeping the ice outside, so what happen on heating, ice will be turned into water. Okay, the molecules of ice and the molecules of water will be same. And here again when on the cooling process, again the water will turn into ice. Means ice to we get the water, again water to we get the ice. So it can be reversible change. It can be reversible change. Means again we get back its original substance. Means when we are melting the ice we get the water. So when we are freezing this we get the ice. Okay na? And again here irreversible changes. Means changes which cannot be reversed into the original substance. We can't get again original substance. Means when we are melting ice we can get water, and water when we are freezing we can get ice. But in this reaction we can't get back what is the substance is first reaction in what is going to change. If these example burn incense or wood, burning incense or wood. So when you burn the wood, what it will become to ash. What we are getting? We get the ash. Okay. So again we can't get the wood from this ash. Yes, na? Again we can't get the wood from this ash. So this is known as irreversible changes. Means changes which cannot be reversed into the original substance. What is the original substance? Is wood or incense. When we are burning this to what we are getting? Ash. So this ash again this ash do not turn into wood or incense. So this is known as irreversible change. Next is physical and chemical changes. Physical and chemical changes. So here physical change means if we taking any reaction, the physical state of the matter will be changing. Okay na? Means a change in which the substance remains the same and no new substance is formed. No new substance is formed. Means here physical matter only changing. Okay, any chemical properties and other properties will be not changing. For example, here also same melting of ice. Okay, it is the example of reversible also and physical change also. Okay na? Means here when we are melting the ice, the molecules, matter means molecules will be same in the ice and water. Okay na? So here physical property only changing. So what are the chemical properties are there in ice that can be not changing. So this is known as physical change. Okay, this physical change and reversible changes two are both same changes. A change in which a substance changes into a new substance with different properties. Okay, means here chemical change. Okay, in this chemical change we get the different properties. Okay, how the matter will change into one form to another form. So here we are changing physical properties as well as chemical properties also. So burning of paper and ash. So when you burn the paper we get the ash. Here also when we are burning the incense or wood we get the ash. So here the properties are very difficult to the properties of paper and properties of wood. Means ash properties are different. After burning what we are getting? Ash. That ash to again we not get back to paper or wood. Okay na? So these properties also very different to the paper or wood. Okay, this is known as chemical changes. Means complete next new substance what we are getting, the new substance properties will be very difficult. And next is reaction is corrosion. So corrosion means, so what is presenting in atmosphere? Humidity. What is humidity? The amount of water vapor is known as humidity. So we are using iron and different kinds of metals to prepare different types of materials. Okay na? So here when iron is exposed to humid air, it rusts and reddish brown layer can be seen on it. Okay na? It rusts and reddish brown layer will be seen. Okay, that's why what we are doing, we are applying the paints. Okay, if any iron objects can be made, what happening? It can be painted. Okay, if it is not painted, what will happening? What is the humid is presenting in the air? That humid react with these metals and it forms the reddish brown layer on it. That is known as corrosion. Okay, so if you see the different types of materials which are prepared by using metals, so like cars, different types of vehicles, what are the materials presenting in our house with metals, that all will be painted materials only. If we not painting, what will happening? It will go into corrosion, means it will react with humid air. And next is combustion. Combustion. So this combustion means burning. Combustion means burning. So when burning any substance or like paper, wood, what will happening? It forms the smoke, gases and ash. It forming the smoke and gases and ash. So combustion is related to irreversible change or chemical change. Means here combustion after what we are getting, that substance are which is the that properties are very difficult to first our original substance. Original substance. So this is combustion, reversible and irreversible changes, physical and chemical changes. Means here physical, reversible changes both are similar and irreversible chemical changes are similar. And here corrosion, combustion. Corrosion and combustion are related to chemical changes. Okay na? Means new properties can be we are seeing. Okay? So this is the types of changes, and next session we are going to discuss about solubility of substances and properties of substances.